Hello guys, in today's video the Oukitel WP500 Ultra is far more than just another rugged phone. This futuristic beast combines extreme durability, predator-style thermal vision, a unique physical privacy kill switch and a massive 1TB storage in a device that feels more like a military tag than a regular phone, and a huge 10,000 mAh battery, a 108-megapixel camera, night vision and a powerful Dimensity 8300 chipset, and you get one of the wildest rugged phones we've seen in years. So stay tuned for this Oukitel WP500 Ultra video review and see what this rugged monster is truly capable of. The box itself makes it clear that there is something special inside. Oukitel uses signature rugged packaging style with the industrial details and robust design that immediately creates the feeling of a serious device built for extreme conditions. When you open the box, you're greeted by the massive WP500 Ultra, which immediately attracts attention with its aggressive design and a huge camera module. The phone comes with a detailed user manual in several languages and all the paperwork, orange USB Type-C cable, and of course the 45-watt fast charger. The WP500 Ultra comes protected out of the box with a slim protective transparent hard case that will ensure your phone stays look like a new for a long time, in a way that protects it from external influences. Of course, we will remove this case and take a closer look at the phone. The weight and the seriousness of these constructions are already felt when you first pick up the phone. At around 414 grams and 22.9mm thick, this is not a device that tries to be elegant. This is a rugged phone that wants to give an impression of strength and security. The combination of reinforced plastic, metal back and rubberized edges makes you feel like you are holding a professional tool, not an ordinary smartphone. It is particularly attractive in this bright orange color, and for those with a more traditional character, there is also a version in a black and grey color combination, which is much more classic than ours today. The phone has all water and dust resistant certificates, while the military certificate confirms durability against false shocks and extreme temperatures. As we have already said, the back side looks extremely futuristic and aggressive. The large camera module immediately reveals that the thermal camera is the main star of this device. There is also a huge LED camping lights, and the whole design looks like a combination of a military equipment and a sci-fi gadget from the movie. On the right side of the metal frame, we have these two round volume buttons, and below them is a power button, which is also the fast fingerprint reader. On the left side of the phone, at the bottom, you'll find the SIM micro SD tray that supports 2 nano 5G SIM cards. Here you also have this red programmable button. This button can be customized to perform up to 3 functions with the phone or install applications simultaneously, and can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. So this one button has 3 different functions as needed. And now we have this button in the middle, which is definitely one of the most interesting and unique functions of this phone, which is the physical privacy kill switch. And this is no ordinary software option. One press of this button physically cuts off the power supply through the GPS module, cameras and microphones. That means that no software can bypass this protection because everything happens at the hardware level. At a time when almost every device collects data and constantly listens to the user, this kind of a privacy system seems almost extreme, but that's exactly why it attracts enormous attention for people who work in sensitive environments or simply want maximum privacy. This is one of the most interesting functions available on the smartphone market today. That means that with one key movement the spying stops. I believe that some of you will appreciate this option. The front is occupied by the large 6.8-inch FHD Plus screen with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. And at the top of the screen is superb 32-megapixel Sony camera that can be used for all your selfies, vlogs, video calls, and the face unlock option. From the very first use, you can see that the Oukitel has not skimmed on the user experience because the screen is a fluid, responsible, and much more modern than many would expect from a rugged device. Scrolling to the applications looks smooth, animations are fluid, and watching Netflix, YouTube, or social networks look very pleasant thanks to the large diagonal and good sharpness of display. Gorilla Glass 5 additionally protects the screen from scratches and impacts, while the brightness of 550 nits allow decent visibility outdoors. While L1 means that it can stream high-resolution content without problems, which is not always the case with rugged phones. The vibrant display and immersive black levels enhance the contrast ratio, delivering rich color reproduction on the screen. Colors remain accurate, clear, and sharp, ensuring a pleasant viewing experience across a wide range of content and everyday tasks like web browsing, social media, and extended YouTube seasons. This is definitely one of the better screens in this class. Something that particularly sets the WP500 Ultra apart from the competition is also the large rear LED light, which is not just a classic flashlight. This light is designed for serious use in nature and adventures. It is strong enough to illuminate a campsite, a trail, or the inside of the tent, and can be also used in emergencies. Its brightness and beam width make it ideal for camping, hiking, and as replacement for handheld flashlight. In addition, it can often be crucial in the event of the power outage or any other unforeseen situation, as well as in cases where it needs to be used as an emergency SOS light. And now we come to the part where the WP500 Ultra is completely different from everything else on the market. Oukitel has installed the advanced AI thermal camera with a resolution of 1440 by 1080 pixels, with a special 8-megapixel fusion lens that literally transforms thermal signatures into detailed thermal maps. The temperature range of measurement is between -20 Celsius and 550 Celsius with a detection frame rate of 25 fps. As soon as turns on the camera mode, the whole phone starts acting like a device from the movie Predator. Heat sources literally come to life on the screen, and the temperature differences become clearly visible even in complete darkness or bad weather conditions. The sensor is also highly sensitive with a thermal sensitivity of less than 50 mK, meaning it can detect even very small temperature differences, which is crucial for accurate diagnostic and analysis. Smart Clear Term and Sync function AI algorithms further improve display precision and automatically analyze scenes in real time. This is not just a fun function to show off your friends, although I believe you can and will do. A thermal camera can be a serious tool for electricians, technicians, security services, hunters, or outdoor enthusiasts. So in addition to this 8 megapixel fusion camera which detects thermal differences, there is also an impressive camera system led by the main 180 megapixel Samsung sensor that captures photos full of details, vivid colors and very good sharpness in different lighting conditions. It comes with the option of recording videos in 4K video resolution at the 30 fps with excellent electronic video stabilization. Let's not forget 8 megapixel night vision camera with the infrared lighting which enables video recording and photography even when the human eye can no longer see anything that is in absolute darkness. All in all, this is the ultimate collection of all the most desirable camera functions in one place. And what are the results of the camera? See now further in this video. Inside this phone is MediaTek Dimensity 8300 processor built on a more than 5nm process which runs at the frequency of 3.35 GHz, which immediately shows that this is not a slow rugged phones like we used to see. In addition to the already impressive 12GB of RAM, the device offers the additional 24GB of virtual memory, which is up to total of 36GB of RAM, which ensures stable multitasking and fast switching between applications without freezing or slowing down. The combination of powerful processor, LPDDR5X RAM and the ultra-fast UFS 4.0 memory allows for a very fluid system operation, fast application launch and excellent multitasking. The phone runs more demanding applications, photo editing, multitasking and all other everyday tasks without any problems. And then comes one of the impressive specifications of the entire device, as much as 1TB of internal memory. That is amount of space that many laptops today don't have. Photos, videos, applications, thermal images and documentations can practically not fill all the available space. Gaming performance is surprisingly strong thanks to the Dimensity 8300 processor and Mali G650 GPU, so games run smoothly and stably even at the higher graphical settings. With the 120Hz display and a fast UFS 4.0 memory, the gaming experience is fluid without noticeable lag or overheating in everyday gaming scenarios. The phone comes with Android 16 and the support for OTA updates, which means the device will remain up to date and software support in long term, which is a big plus in this category. The interface is clean and responsible, as is the hardware, and all the features of social networks, video calls, web browsing, FM radio, reception, and other modern functionalities work just flawlessly. With support for AI functions such as the Gemini AI assistants, AI camera optimization, and additional smart AI process that helps with the photography and system operation. The phone supports all modern connectivity standards, which include global 5G networks, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, which put it on par with the modern flagship devices when it comes to connectivity. The navigation system is a particularly strong part of this device because it combines GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou with the dual L1 plus L5 frequency, which result is very precise positioning even in the demanding conditions such as the mountains, forests or urban areas with a poor signal. A large 10,000 mAh battery allows for carefree multi-day use without constantly thinking about the charger. Even with more demanding scenarios such as using the 5G network, GPS navigation and occasional use of the thermal system, the phone can easily withstand 2 or 3 days of active use, and in lighter conditions even much more longer. The phone also supports the reverse charging function, so it can serve as a power bank and charge other devices in emergencies. The Oukitel WP500 Ultra is definitely not the ordinary smartphone. This is the device that combines rugged durability, a thermal imaging system, a night vision camera, a physical privacy switch, a huge 10,000 mAh battery in one extremely robust and futuristic package. Combined with the Dimensity 8300 5G processor, up to 36GB of RAM, 1TB of internal UFS 4.0 memory, and 180MP camera, the WP500 Ultra is positioned as one of the most powerful and well-equipped rugged devices in this class right now. So if you're looking for a phone that does not follow trends but completely ignores them and goes in direction of maximum functionality and durability, this device is exactly that. If you're interested in more, the official purchase link are below this video, so be sure to check out the current promotional price while it's still available, but hurry up. If you like the video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell for more detailed reviews like this. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.